Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction for Tuesday 18 November 2025. Now is a Powerball single prediction numbers number 6, number 19, number 23, number 34, number 45. Now Powerball number 18. Today is a Powerball single prediction number repeat number 6, number 19, number 23, number 34, number 43. Now Powerball number repeat number 18. Now is a Powerball second prediction numbers number 2, number 4, number 38, number 41, number 47. Now Powerball number 20. Today Euro is a Powerball single second prediction number repeat number 2, number 4, number 38, number 41, number 47. Now is a Powerball number repeat number 20. Today is a Powerball plus single prediction numbers number 16, number 32, number 39, number 45, number 48. Now the is a Powerball number plus one number 7. Today is a Powerball plus single prediction number repeat number 16, number 32, number 39, number 45, number 48. Now is a Powerball plus one number repeat number 7. Now is a Powerball plus second prediction numbers number 1, number 2, number 18, number 28, number 35. Now is a Powerball plus one number 11. Today is a Powerball plus second prediction number repeat number 1, number 2, number 18, number 28, number 35. Now is a Powerball plus one number repeat number 11. So friends, complete today South Africa Powerball and Powerball plus prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification.